I'm in my garage and I'm putting together a Haunted Castle cat scratcher. This is Hyde and Eek from Target. This is a gift for my grandcats. Let's open the box. These are the pieces. I put one together last year, but the cats destroyed it. So they're getting a new one this year. These are the walls. These are the instructions I gotta follow. Step 1 says I gotta attach the back panel to the other 3 walls that I folded up. First I gotta peel off the twin stick tape. And now we're gonna fold it a little bit and then put the 2 pieces together. Putting the tabs through the holes. And then press the 2 pieces together where the twin stick tape was by running my fingers on one side and pressing with my thumb on the other side. I got to be attached to the other wall. And doing the same process. Put my thumb on the inside, rub it down with my fingers on the outside, pressing the 2 together. Okay, there we go. Now we take one of these scratch boards and put the castle over it. Like so. That was in step 2, putting the castle over the scratch board. Step 3 is saying we've got to insert the completed panels on the top of the castle here. I'm folding up the inserts for the top, more or less. Taking the thing, going down, around, and folding it up like this. These are the beams that are going to be holding this ceiling up. And we folded it up, pushed it in the slots, and that one's in place. And we have to do the same thing to the other beam. Fold it together here. We got the beams in place. The next step is to attach the upper panel to the corrugated board, then insert the top main panels as shown. The corrugated board is held in place by the platforms below. Peeling off the twin stick tape. From the upper panel. Now the corrugated panel has two sides that are smooth and two sides that are rough. So you want to attach the panel to the smooth side so the upper panel goes up against it nice. Press that in place. Once in place, you press the back up against the upper panel because you have the tape on both sides of the upper panel, one to the corrugated board and one to the back of the haunted house. Now we have a finished haunted house cat scratcher castle. That was easy. I hope my grandcats like it. They liked last year's. They should like this one too. They would still have it if Boo did not dive bomb it.